Good morning, good night, good afternoon. Looks like we got a bit of rain on the forecast today. But we've got a nice waffle pod to do. Got 380 squares. Heaps of boys here. Even Simon and the boys are here. Alex and the boys are here. Lawrence and the boys are here. Everyone's here. We got it again. We got a bigger one. It's 7:15 and we're on our way. It's all happening. There's Simon and Sano spreading this one off at this point. Cruising along. Alright, it is only 7:30 and we got half the house in. We're cruising. Definitely cruising. Alex is doing the bullfighting. I'll watch Alex for a minute. Alex is off to the Sunshine Coast. So some of you guys might see him down there. He's working for some company that just put workers in different jobs all the time, all concreters. So I'm sure you'll definitely see Alex out there if you live in the Sunshine Coast. You'll see him somewhere. Definitely taking all your waves, that's what he'll be doing. Watch him. Alex loves his surfing, that's why he's moving down the Sunshine Coast. Better waves down there than down here. We get waves here sometimes, but not all the time. Sometimes. Bullshit. Now he's up himself now. Because now he needs, like, it has to have perfect waves. When they go away from Bundaberg they get nice waves. I think there's no waves here at all anymore. But there's something. Little. Very little. Anyway. These boys here are going around doing a magging. We got Lancey here. And Mick. Then Dick. Simon's over there. Right. Let's get back into it. Good work, Al. It's 8:40. And we got the whole house in. So that's very, very good. Under 2 hours. So it took us a while to put the footings in first. But it's only 400 squares, so pretty big. We've got a patio over there still, so a little bit more of patio over there, a little bit of patio over there. And we're all good. I think we're just filling the beams up over there now. Simon's screening the last little bit over there. I just did my bit all the way down beside him. Bloody good work. Thanks for all the positive comments out there too. You guys are awesome, mate. Thanks. Keep me going. Keep me making these videos. Good times. Alright, it's 10 o'clock and we got all the concrete in. Just did the back patio and the front patio. Boys are on the chopper. I'm going to start edging. No time to stop. Alright, it's 11:15. And what happens in Queensland, one day it's perfect, next day it's fucking pissing down rain.
1 minute's perfect, yeah. 1 minute's perfect, next minute's fuck. Blue sky out here.
Blue sky out there, but we got hell over there. Next minute. I'll make sure I close mine. Oh well, we're halfway finished we were. And then the rain came down on us.
Where's the drill? Oh no, where's the drill then? Well, your drill's going to be out there and get fucked.
It is 12 and we got it back. We got the slab back. Alright, just doing the garage, like we covered the garage up with plastic, because that was the main point. The rest is going to get tiles on it. That looks pretty good. Bring out my chopper, a bit heavier. Actually looks good. For a rainy slab, we did well. We're just starting to strip now, it's all muddy everywhere. We've got shitloads of strip, so I'm getting into it. See when we finish. Right, it is 1 o'clock and the slab is done. We got it. The rain stayed away long enough for us to catch up. There's a guy jackhammering behind me, so can't help that. See how much water there was? It filled up the fucking bathtub. But anyway, it's all good. Now he's got to pack all the boxing away. But good work, boys. There's lots more rain coming over there. But we should make it out of here before then anyway. Good times. Poor Alex. He's picking up all the big boards. He's a good boy. What's your tip, Alex, about picking up big boards on one shoulder?
On one shoulder?
Yeah.
Pick it up from one end first and walk under it.
Alright. Hey, what about your lats flex? That thing you were telling me about. I've been doing it, it works.
Oh, you gotta stack your back.
Yeah.
Keep your back straight.
Yeah.
And then flex this side.
Yeah, that's it. Flex that side, yeah. It works.
Flex the opposite side.
Yeah, not the side you're listening to. But anyway, let's go. We're done. All good now, guys. Slab's done. Rain stayed away. Good stuff. Nearly done. Alright, it's 1:40 and we are done. Yeah. Nice big slab. Good work, boys. Just packing the trailer up. Last little bit. What's his name? Aaron. Aaron's one of the new workers, new labourer. He's going really good. Just checking out concrete into the other night, he reckons. Alright, that's it. I'm going home. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that episode. It did rain on us. It was a big slab and it was another hot day. So in the end, it all worked out pretty good. At least it didn't rain on us when we were pouring the concrete. When we pour in the concrete and it rains, it makes it way worse. You can get the slab in and then it rains, it's okay. It's not that bad. But if it kept raining, it could have been a problem. We're lucky it stopped raining. Anyway, I might not see you tomorrow because I'm not working tomorrow. I'm working on Friday with Simon and Lance, so I'll see you then. But anyway, have fun, hey? See ya, boys. See you, mate. See ya. Thank you. Yoo-hoo. All right, we're done. Boys are packed up. I'm going home.